Our on-campus clinic is unique because it offers 100 different community members services throughout the semester. So each semester we're serving 100 community members. And because we don't bill, it's a donation-based clinic, we are able to have some flexibility in those who we serve and how we serve them in order to incorporate best practices. So within our phased coursework, the Phase 1 students typically do all their coursework online asynchronous. And then once they get into their Phase 2 coursework is when we start to incorporate that clinical practicum experience. And we really move in slowly for our students because usually they're nervous. And we try to partner them with second-year graduate students so that they feel more comfortable and more prepared when they get their own clients. We were finding that students get a little nervous when they hear thesis or a comprehensive exam, and students were still really curious about that research aspect, and so we wanted to incorporate some of those independent research aspects, and we thought a capstone was a great way to capture that. We also offer research opportunities for students to incorporate themselves in that faculty do as well.